Hey friends, if you wish to fix DISM error 50 on Windows 11 while performing the DISM scan, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the most obvious resolution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will pick up from the local copy of Windows if it helps. If it does not, then the next solution is to simply restore your computer. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, click on cloud download, and finally click on next to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.